slow wine, slow wine, slow wine. Every girl slow wine, go speed it up, just speed it up, yo, speed it up, girl, speed it up, speed it up, wait, my pretty girl.
Mr. Bombastic, we want is a bombastic, romantic, fantastic lover. Shaggy, Mr. Lover, I'm Mr. Lover, girl, Mr. Lover, I'm Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic, call me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. If you take this too serious, then you really need some church. Me a wanna go church from how long? Rather sleep through the morning and put on a slam. But me woman she a pressure me fi go confession. So me decide fi go and kill the conversation. So me see them brothers and sister Pam who a tell me everything about the congregation. But sister Paulette and her gay husband and how she still asleep with the minibus man. Sister Gwen claim she a Christian, but last night them catch her in a stone love session. She a do the dirty dance to the Mataran song, and I say she get the thing them from Baby Sham. Y'all tell me about the one deacon who a drive the big Benz away and get money from. That's why nobody no want give no collection. No see the church roof a leak away and read the band. Every Sunday is a competition. This enough of them a go like them in a name brand. That they see the wish if they come out of some junk pattern with the can for bar smell that a no new fashion.